Rowserworld.
All right, hey guys, and how are you doing today? Today we're going to be drawing. My fellow Americans. We'll be drawing Joe Biden. Was it the 46th president? Something like that. I don't know. But anyway, got a picture of him right here. We'll go ahead and get started. Let's have a little fun with old Joe's face here. So, I don't know. What am I going to do here? I think I'm going to start with my jawline here. So Joe has like a really, we don't want to use a lot of thick lines to do this picture. All right. Want to use lines that are relatively thin here because he doesn't have like a very, he has big ears for an old guy, I tell you that. Okay, so I'm just going to draw these little shapes here. And keep it simple. That's the main thing. Okay, we're going to draw our other ear shape here. All right, now let's go to the top of our shape here. And remember, we want to use thin lines here because if we don't, it ain't going to look like him because he has salt and pepper hair. So that's a part of his caricature. Caricature, right? Everybody always has problems saying that word too. Okay? And then we'll come over here and do like this and just kind of draw a straight line all the way down. Once again, just keep everything nice and neat right there. I even draw a straight line here. This way to look. There we go. And then what we're going to do here, we're just going to put another little line right here. And we're going to give Joe a little a little neck right there. And, of course, Joe's presidential tie. All right. Because he is, he's presidential. All right. Okay. And this is Joe right before he forgave all the student debt loans in America, right? I'm gonna make you really happy today. All right, let me see it. So let's do Joe's face real quick. So he has these little eyes. He has like little eyes that do like this, and one of his little eyes is down here like this. So that's a very important part of his character right there. And I'm gonna do this eye shape right here, and I want this one right here. And we're going to do like this here. And then we're going to do something like this. See, if you don't get this right on Joe, you ain't going to be able to get it right. And then we just do something like this. And then we want to put his little nose shape here. So he has like a... there we go. And he has like a little circle right there. That's Joe right there. That's him right there. Okay. And this is put some little things here to accentuate Joe's eyes. I'll put some little lighting in the eyes right there. Oh yeah, awesome. All right, now I saved this for last because Joe has a huge smile. So what I want to do here, I'm going to go ahead and make my dimples first, so I make sure I got it the right way. That's Joe right there, man. You talking about? Shit. Okay, and then we're gonna put his teeth in. Let's do the presidential teeth. We gotta get these right. So y'all pray for me right here. Oh yeah, that's it right there. You talking about those? That's Joe right there. All right, and then we got like a little bit of lines here. Pretty much, man. I think we got it. We got our drawn down to a science here. Okay. So I'm just gonna darken in the side over here a little bit. Okay. And we'll just put, look, this is what we'll do here. We'll go ahead and put, what is, let me see, what's this right here. Y'all just hold on a second. This is debt forgiveness. I'm about to separate it. Debt forgiveness bill. Right? Signed by Joe. Right? All right. And Joe has done it. He's forgiven all of the debt in the entire country. Right? Single-handedly. All right. And let me see here. Man, I think I got it down here. So let me do I'm gonna do a little bit of shadow on my drawing too. So if you guys will give me a sec here, let me get my gray marker out. I just feel like this will really make the drawing stand out a little bit more for you. All right, so I'm just gonna add some here, here, here. Just little places here that really make up his face, right? Something like this here. Yeah, you don't want to go too hard with it. Something like this. Okay. And then little eyebrows there a little bit. And then right under here. And we're just about to close out, guys. Just do some hairs there. All right. So I think that we are done. This was an easy little drawing to do, right? Of Joe. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little video or my little innuendos. I'll be posting up more videos and tutorials soon. If you guys have a request or comment, don't hesitate to leave those in the description box below. Until then, guys, thank you again for watching, and you guys have a blessed and awesome day. Just let me give Joe's suit a little darkness there. All right. And we are done, guys. Peace. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. I need to add some wrinkles here. Joe is looking kind of young here. No, you're not that young, Joe. Just let me put some wrinkles here. All right, and there you have it. My little drawing of Joe with some wrinkles, of course. All right, so I'll see you guys next time, and you have a blessed and wonderful day. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.